Hello, everyone. My name is Nathan, also known as Iliab with Birthright Roleplay. And here today, I'm with the Awesome Gem, also known as Topaz. Say hi, Topaz.
Oh, hello guys, this is the Awesome Jim here. I work on the plugin side of this project.
Yeah, so he's the main developer for Birthright Roleplay, and I am there to assist bug testing. I do a lot of the graphics and artwork, a lot of documentation on mechanics and systems that we have in Birthright Roleplay. So, what we have today here is we're making our first devlog video. Please bear with us. This is our first video, so we have no idea what the hell we're doing. Today we're gonna showcase the character selection and character creation menu. So, Topaz, if you want to show them that.
Alright, so we're currently at the character selection menu. And if you don't have a character yet, this is the menu you're going to first put on to your screen when you join. So as you can see here, there's 3 available slots where you can create a new character. And each character has their unique data and has its own unique location, inventory, and basically, everything it's based around a character. And the other 2 slots are locked, and if you wanna unlock the slot, you have to apply for to be a donor. So that's basically the character selection. And if I hover over one of the available slot, it tells you that if you left click the slot, you create a new character.
Of course. So, while Topaz is going through the menu and showing you guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about what this project is about. So, Topaz, if you want, you can just go through the whole character selection, character creation, and I'll just be talking over it.
Okay.
Anyhow, so with Birthright Roleplay, our whole idea was we definitely want to be unique. It's the first 1.9 RP server, and I'm not sure yet, but probably the first 1.9 well developed server to begin with. Not including servers that are already created in previous versions and they're just merging onto 1.9. With our whole idea, we wanted to be unique. We wanted to be different, and that we definitely took that value straight into when you first log into the server. We wanted to make sure that once you first logged into the server, your experience was well met with a very nice GUI layout, which I feel as not many servers take advantage of. And with the new possibilities of 1.9, we now have taken that custom GUI element to the next level. So, Topaz, what are you showing us there?
So as you can see there, I just typed in the name of my character. The unique thing about this server, this roleplay server, is you can have 2 names. You can have a first name, and you can have a last name. But the last name is absolutely pure optional. So if you only want to use one name, you can go ahead and do that. And the good thing about character creation menu is that you can, if you accidentally, if you want to change it back to something else, you can always do that. There's no, final submission until you click this green button over here, which I can't because I didn't fill up the whole character creation form right here. And as you can see, we use our own custom GUI to be able to handle all this. So right now, I just chose the name, so that's why there's a check mark there, because I'm done with that option. And I can go ahead and choose a gender. I'm going to choose male for this character. As you can see, it's fully custom with some new 1.9 item durability system. We managed to... Yeah, go ahead, Nathan.
With that as well, depending on the gender you pick, whether he picks male or female, the next time you're greeted by the character selection menu and you have a character already created, it will actually show you in the character selection menu the right colors, whether it's blue for male or pink for female. So we definitely wanted to touch up on details on the server as much as possible and really made it very aesthetically pleasing to the players.
All
Anyhow,
right.
Topaz.
So right now I'm going to input an age for my character. The age, you can put any age you want. And since this is a roleplay server and there is race, the age is also based on life expectancy for certain race. So we took the absolute minimum age to survive in any race as the limit. So I will put out 18 for this character as the age. And then we move on to the race. And if you're going to explain how the race system is going to work, Nathan?
Of course. So right now on the screen, you guys see the menu for the primary races. And then once you click on any one of those primary races, it jumps you down into another menu with the sub races. So the primary races, the beginning launch of the server, will consist of humans, dwarves, and elves. And within each one of those races are sub races as well. And when you click your race, you simply just click on one of the races, you get diverted into the sub menu race, and you click one of the sub menu races, and that will be your chosen race for the remainder of that character's life. Each sub race and each race itself will offer its own benefits, mostly including profession bonuses. Some might include extra speed, extra health. Definitely stuff that we want to keep balanced and not too overpowered to leave other races overshadowed.
Okay, another detail I want to add is that once you have a sub race, it actually takes account of the base, the actual main race too, that's part of. So, yep, just to point that out. Alright,
Correct.
so right now we are on the primary profession screen, and Nathan will explain you how the profession system will work on this server.
Anyhow, guys, so as you see in the menu, there are a list of 13 different professions, each offering its own unique bonus and playability value to your character. So we categorize the professions as the gathering professions and the crafting professions. The gathering professions include professions such as farmer, miner, fisherman. We have the herder, and we also have the forester. And those all involve in getting the raw resources that's going to power every day of the characters and lives that are in the world. So each one of those professions, they bring in raw resources for the crafting professions to gain bonus from. So the crafting professions take these raw resources and they turn them into resources that are used from day to day in everyday material as well. Some of those crafting professions are professions such as blacksmith, stonemason, scribe, and alchemist. We also have other professions such as Topaz. I'm not looking at the menu right now. I'm sorry. Can you finish off the
Okay.
list?
Yeah, so we started off as farmer, fisherman, forester, miner, herder, blacksmith, stonemason, scribe, alchemist, craftsman, chef, leatherworker, and engineer.
So as Topaz listed, those are the different professions we have on our server. In a later video, we can get down into detail what each profession does, what they produce, and what they'll be useful for. As you can see as well, we have a primary profession and a secondary profession. Your primary profession is going to be the profession that gets the most EXP value that you could get for a profession. That's going to primarily be the one that your character focuses more on. The secondary profession you will also be able to get EXP from, but not at a higher value as your primary profession would be. So it's something that your character would be doing on like his side job, as you may say. So yeah, that's the functions of the primary and secondary professions, and that is the remainder of the character creation menu.
Now
After you
I'm gonna go ahead and check the accept character, and that will finalize my character and add it to my character selection menu. As you can see, since my character is male, it's now displaying in a blue color. If it was a female, it would be displaying in a pink color.
Correct. Like we said before, we really want to get into the details of the GUI and our server. So any little detail we can add that can really be aesthetically pleasing to the players is what we strive for.
Alright, and once you create the character, you can create more if you want. Or if you don't like the character, you can shift and left click. And this will allow you to remove the character. And you can also left click and then you will wait 3 seconds and you'll be spawned in the world with your new character. So that's basically how the character creation and selection system works.
Anyhow, guys, until the next devlog video, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to keep up to date with the new content of Birthright Roleplay, or simply just join us on our forums as we'll be posting there as well.